How does a computer understand the meaning of a sentence? And how can it find the most relevant document out of millions in a fraction of a second? The answer lies in a concept called embeddings, the secret sauce behind every modern RAG system. Today, we're explaining context engineering and how vector databases are changing the way we search for information. An embedding is a way of representing a piece of text as a list of numbers called a vector. This isn't a random list. It's a high-dimensional mathematical representation of semantic meaning. Texts with similar meanings have vectors that are mathematically close to each other. For example, the vector for CEO is close to founder, but far from banana. Specialized embedding models are trained to create these numerical representations. Before you can retrieve information, you need to index it. This happens in 3 steps. First is chunking, where long documents are broken into smaller pieces so you can retrieve precise snippets instead of entire files. Second is embedding, where each chunk is converted into a vector using an embedding model. Third is storing, where those vectors and their original text references are saved inside a vector database. When a user asks a question, the system doesn't search for keywords. Instead, it converts the question into an embedding using the same model. Then it searches the vector database to find the text chunks whose vectors are mathematically closest to the question's vector. This process, called vector or similarity search, finds the most semantically relevant information, even when no exact keywords match. You chunk your documents, create embeddings, store them in a vector database, and retrieve the most relevant chunks using vector search. This is the foundation of modern context engineering. In the next episode, you'll see how to turn this process into a real RAG chatbot using no-code tools.